Hey guys, Nicole Bailey with Cova Home Realty. We are here at 834 Haskins Drive in Suffolk. That is a large 10 by 20 shed that is on the property. The backyard is completely fenced, privacy fenced. Let's take a look. So we have a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home here with a 1-car garage. With a completely updated kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful countertops. Look at these beautiful floors. Brand new floors, newer roof in 2018. The HVAC was just replaced. And the hot water heater was done in 2017. And the hot water heater is one of those hydro ones. So yes, let's take a peek at what we have here. Walk inside the door and you have your coat closet. Come over here to the right and you have your living space with a natural gas fireplace. Look at these. Don't mind the packing. Obviously, they're getting ready to move. We are on a 1/4 acre here. Look at this. I love, love, love that. Look at that. So below your bar area, this bar area has the butcher block counter, which I love. Your soft close cabinets and drawers, and your black granite countertops. And I love the black, white, and gray backsplash tile. It's so beautiful. We have stainless steel appliances. We do have the 1-car garage in there, but I don't want to disrupt the dogs. Around here, we do have our laundry area downstairs. And your half a bath. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Up here at the top of the stairs, don't mind the little things like painting and trim, obviously getting it ready for, the new owners. Around here to the right, you have your first bedroom, which is the little girl's room. You have your walk-in closet. I love this beautiful flooring here. This is your, yeah. Hey, buddy. Such a pretty light flooring. And then you have linoleum over here. Here is your first full black bath with a massaging head shower. Okay. So the laminate flooring here is very bright. I love it. At the end of the hallway here, we have a nice sized linen closet. And then to your second bedroom, which they use as their guitar room and office, you have a nice, decent sized walk-in closet here. And then walk over here to the right to your primary. Over to your bathroom. The cat is following us around. And then your walk-in closet. Oh, I should turn the light on. Put some light on the subject. Okay. And then over here. You do have a nice rain shower head along with a massaging one. You have a fire pit out back, which is so lovely. Some raised vegetable flower beds out there. So guys, again, my name is Nicole Bailey. I am with Cova Home Realty, and we are at our new listing in Suffolk at 834 Haskins Drive in Suffolk. If you would like to see the home in person, you can call or text me at 757-620-5031. Again, guys, I appreciate you watching every time, and I'll see you next time. I hope you have a blessed day.